The Residence Collection is all about a blend of the old and new, a sophisticated collection of home improvement products for modern living. But your Residence Collection window is formed from a journey. The journey begins, as is often the way, in the mind of a designer, though perhaps this time with a little help from technology. When design meets reality, the first steps are centered around attention to detail. Through modern engineering, components are consistently created with the finished product in mind. The journey continues as the component parts are stored with care, ready to be selected for a bespoke design chosen by you before delivery to the window's craftsman. Then, once at their factory, with all the parts together in one place, they can be assembled, all of the different pieces being pulled together to fulfill their purpose, to become a window. The final chapter of our journey is with your chosen installer placing the window where it's meant to be, as the defining aspect of its owner's home.